So, Brian, what do you have to say about Bird having a twin brother named Drake?
Oh. Well, I'm just saying, I always have a twin brother. He's the one that's causing the problems. He's the reason why all the teachers hate me. I'm just the innocent one that always gets
sure?
for.
Are you
Yeah,
sure?
yeah, I'm pretty sure.
Did the teachers hate you because you were fat?
No, that's Drake. Drake's fatter than me. I'm terribly skinny.
I worked today too. I worked today too. Smell these. Smell them.
I'm good.
Smell them.
I'm good.
Smell my feet.
No, I don't want to smell your feet.
Smell my feet.
Oh god, I can smell them from here. Oh, they smell like roadkill and ass.
Shit. Oh. Ow. I'm in the corner of my eye, you dick.
Jake's not here no more.
Drake's not here, he's gone. I killed him with my stench.
Drake's not even at my house anymore. He left. He moved.
Where'd he move to?
7 feet underground.
No.
Cause I
He
killed
moved
him.
to, he moved to like, he went to Flint. That's where all the bad people are.
Man,
I mean, you
should go
gotta
down
think of
there
the
too.
water that they got there.
You should go down there too, son.
Why do you think I'm in Saginaw?
Because you're worse than shit.
Yes, my work has been shit, but I mean still.
I said you're worse than shit.
Oh, I ain't worse than shit. That's Drake. Drake's bad. Why do you think it's Flint?
I'm gonna beat you with this shoe.
Hey, I'm just
Is your definition of beat him with the shoe is take it off and throw it at him, or actually beat him with it?
Shove this up 1 to 3 holes.
Hey, I'm just saying. Drake.
The front hole?
Why are you trying to beat me up? I'm just telling you a story where my twin brother lives. God, he thinks I'm such a dickhead
You are.
for telling you a story, but
You
no.
are.
Okay, how am I a dickhead?
Cause you are.
How am I a dickhead?
Cause you are.
How?
Cause.
How? You're not giving me a reason.
I am.
You're wet.
What?
You're wet.
He says, yeah, I am that way. No, he didn't say. He didn't say I am. He said whatever. I can't even say what you see. Your stupidity has just killed me, and I can't say my words.
I can't take you no more. You're freaking blaming me for all the stupid shit that Drake's
the
doing.
password.
I'm enjoying this too much.
Put in the password.
You can do it, Brian. It's Disney Unicorn 2014.
I mean, let me see.
I mean, I knew that because I live here. Drake doesn't know that because he lives in Flint. No. You hurt me. It's not my fault.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
Everything's your fault.
No, that's my twin brother you're talking about.
9/11, your fault.
How is it my fault? That was Drake. Drake's the one that knows Osama bin Laden. Why do you think he's in Flint? Because he's trying to hide.
Trump's election, your fault.
No, that was Drake. Drake went to the Washington.
ISIS winning, your fault.
That's Drake's idea. He wanted to join ISIS.
Feminism, your fault.
How is it my fault with feminism? It's not my fault he wanted to.
Oh, let's see, Bird. I mean, you fucked every girl known to man almost, and they pretty much all hate you. So it's only fair that they pretty much procreated with everything else and then made a giant fucking group called feminism.
Women. That's Drake. Drake did it. Drake's the one that fucked a lot of women. He wanted.
Okay, where's the photos?
Yeah, where's the photos?
Where's the photos?
Where are the photos?
Photos.
I don't see them on the walls.
Well, duh, because my mom doesn't even like him that much. He just.
Okay, so then, Brian, if you see Jake's mom, you ask her about him.
Okay.
Yeah.
And she'll give and what will she say?
She'll say that we don't talk about him because he's the bad kid. All my kids are good, even though Jake thinks I'm such a horrible.
Brian, he says he has kids.
You have kids?
I don't have kids. What the fuck are you talking about?
You said.
I just make up words.
You said my kids.
No.
Yeah, you said.
I'm talking about what my mother would say.
You said my kids though.
No.
You did.
You can't win.
You can't win.
Just give up.
Yep.
I didn't say that. That was Drake. Drake has kids. He only has like. He